How AI can find off-market deals and investment properties for you. Want access to the hottest real estate deals before they hit the market? Today, we're revealing how AI can find off-market deals faster, smarter, and more efficiently than ever before. How AI can find off-market deals. Real estate tech explained. Do you want 1,000 plus ChatGPT prompts for real estate agents? Watch to the end. Why off-market deals matter. If you're in real estate, you know the best deals often never make it to MLS or public listings. Off-market properties are where investors, agents, and buyers score hidden gems with less competition and better terms. But finding those deals? That used to take endless networking and hours of research until now. How AI finds off-market real estate deals. Thanks to AI technology, off-market property hunting is being completely transformed. AI off-market property finder tools analyze massive data sets, from public records to social signals, to pinpoint motivated sellers before they even list. This means you can discover potential deals others don't even know exist. What data AI uses to find deals? Property data analysis, predictive seller modeling, AI sentiment analysis for off-market deals. Some AI tools even use sentiment analysis, scanning online behavior and property activity to predict which homeowners might be considering a sale, giving you a head start. Best AI tools for off-market real estate. So, what are the best AI tools for off-market real estate? Here are a few game changers. PropStream, data-driven property search. Reonomy, commercial real estate insights. Fliki AI Video Creator, turn property data into engaging videos. Predictive analytics tools for AI-powered real estate deal generation. And yes, even platforms like Fliki AI help create marketing videos that showcase these hidden deals once you find them. There is a link in the description for a free trial. AI tactics to discover hidden property deals. Beyond tools, successful investors use AI tactics to discover hidden property deals. This includes combining data from AI off-market deal sourcing guides with neighborhood insights, owner profiles, and market trends. All automated, all data-backed. Using AI to uncover off-market listings. Imagine using AI to uncover off-market listings before competitors even know they're available. With the right off-market real estate AI strategy, you're no longer chasing deals. Deals come to you. If you want to stay ahead in real estate, leveraging AI for discovering off-market homes is no longer optional, it's essential. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Are you already using AI for real estate? And which tool are you excited to try next? Unlock hidden real estate opportunities with AI. Subscribe now. Subscribe for weekly real estate tech tips.